So if you're planning to start a YouTube channel, one of the first things that you probably want to know is how much money that you can expect to make as a YouTuber. Now, while there are tons of videos on YouTube discussing this, 99% of them leave out key details that you need to know, like how most of your videos will not make the same amount of money per 1,000 views. In fact, most videos on my channel have completely different earnings per 1,000 views. So in this video, I'm pulling back the curtains and showing you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 1.7 million views in 2021 and the total dollar amount that I earned as a YouTuber across all of my streams of income. Seriously, I'm not holding anything back. This video has full transparency, meaning that you will see my real YouTube analytics and other revenue dashboards as well. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best decisions that I've ever made in my entire life, and if you're on the fence about starting one and maybe just liking the inspiration or motivation to get going, then I hope this video can provide that extra push for you. And before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. Okay, let's go ahead and dive right into what most of you came here for. Here's how much money that YouTube paid me for 1.7 million views in 2021 and some key factors that will determine how much you can make. And here you go. My channel has made $17,112.52 in ad revenue in 2021, and on average, I make anywhere from $1,100 to $1,500 per month. So the two most important factors that determine how much money you can make from ads being shown on your videos are your CPM and your RPM. CPM is basically the amount of money that advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views on your channel. And you can see that for 2021, my CPM was $22.74. Now, it's really important to know that I don't get paid that full amount, because YouTube takes about 45 to 50% of it. So the RPM, or revenue per 1,000 views, is actually what you get paid every 1,000 views on your channel. And it's actually a way better metric for YouTubers because unlike CPM, it also includes things like Super Chat, channel memberships, and YouTube Premium revenue. Taking a look at my analytics, we can see that my RPM was $10.34 for 2021, which I'm pretty happy about because that's a decent RPM. And I also want to mention that the $17,000 amount is what I received from YouTube after their cut. That's the number that went into my bank account. The RPM that you can expect to receive on YouTube is dependent on various factors. For example, I have some videos where my RPM is $5, other videos it's $10, and some videos it's even over $30. And the reason for this is because advertisers examine a lot of different things about your video when determining how much money they're willing to pay to run ads on it. The most important include the topic of your video, the location of the people watching your video, and the age of your viewers as well. For example, my channel content is focused on personal finance, freelancing, and investing, which have above average RPM values. On the other hand, someone that creates gaming content or vlogs is going to have much lower RPM values on average, usually in the $1 to $3 range. So for example, let's take a look at this video, Best Crypto Wallets for 2021, which has 42,000 views. Now, if we take a look at the revenue tab, we can see that it had an RPM of $18.43 and a CPM of $35.42, which is insane and really good for my channel. So why is the RPM so much higher than the average for my channel? The first reason is the type of content. This video covers the best cryptocurrency wallets, which leads to a lot of cryptocurrency related ads being shown on this video. Next, if we take a look at the audience tab, we can see that 45.5% of viewers on this video are from the United States and 66.5% are 25 to 34 years old. For example, if we take a look at the CPM across all locations on this video, we can see that the top 3 or 4 locations all have pretty high CPM values. But if we take a look just a little lower, we can see that India has a CPM of just $1.65. So now, taking a look at a different video, Upwork mistakes that 71% of freelancers make, we can see that it got 36.8 thousand views, which is only around 5,000 less than the crypto wallets video. So we would assume that the ad revenue on this video should be close to that $783 amount on the crypto wallets video, right? That's actually wrong. This video has only made $181.63 in ad revenue, with an RPM of $4.94 and a CPM of $12.14. So why is that? Well, if we take a look at the audience tab, we can see that most of the views are from Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. If we take a look at the CPM values on this video, you can see that they're way lower. The US CPM is just over $47, but the Pakistan CPM is only $2.44. So as you can tell, there are a lot of factors that determine your RPM and CPM on a video, with the biggest ones being your video topic, the location of your viewers, and their age as well. I found that viewers who are older typically pay better, simply because they have more money, so they're more likely to click on ads and buy things. And also, the duration of your video matters a lot as well. For example, your video has to be at least 8 minutes long to have mid-roll ads, which are ads that you can place throughout your video, usually in the middle of it. If you don't have a video that's 8 minutes long, you can only use pre-roll ads or ads that play right after your video ends. So before I show you the total amount, all the money I've made on YouTube this year and how that compares to last year, I first need to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, who can help you learn the skills that will take your YouTube channel to that next level. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. Explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. Examples of topics include graphic design, creative writing, and freelancing. One great thing that I personally love about Skillshare is that most classes are under 60 minutes, with short lessons that fit really well into my busy schedule that's full of planning and creating tons of YouTube content. So one of my favorite classes on Skillshare that I highly recommend to anyone who's interested in either becoming a YouTuber or taking your channel to that next level is called YouTube Success: Script, Shoot, and Edit by MKBHD.
Hey, what's up? I'm Marquez Brownlee, aka MKBHD.
I'm always looking for new ways to take my channel to that next level, and who better to learn from than one of the best YouTubers on the entire platform. Skillshare is created specifically for learning, meaning there are no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes, so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. The first 1,000 of my subscribers who click the link down below in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start learning new skills today. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Although ad revenue is the most talked about income source for YouTubers, it's not the only one, and usually not the highest paying. I've made over $17,000 this year in YouTube ad revenue, which I'm very grateful about. However, that's way below the average annual income in my area. If I was solely relying on that one source of income, then I would probably have to sell a lot of things. And for most people, it takes a long time to ever make any decent money in ad revenue. For example, I uploaded weekly videos for 9 months before my channel was ever monetized. That's why I believe that you should focus on other ways to make money on YouTube initially, like affiliate marketing and brand deals or sponsorships. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is the best way that you can start making money on YouTube, and it's actually my largest source of income on YouTube this year. Across all of my affiliate programs, I've made $26,652.76, which is almost $10,000 more than what I made in ad revenue. That's insane to think about, and I never imagined that would be possible when I started my YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing is basically when you market someone else's product or service, and in return, you get paid commissions on any sales that you make. For example, you can find all of my affiliate links down below at the top of my video description. So my wife and I live way out in the country, and the internet options out here are terrible. When we first bought our farm, we got like 4 megabits per second with Windstream, and that was the max option for over $100 a month. As we patiently wait for Starlink, we're currently using Nomad Internet, which is a rural internet provider that uses 4G LTE data, and it basically tripled our speeds on our farm. If you use the Nomad affiliate link down below in my description and use promo code BURNSTECH, then you'll get $25 off your order, and I'll also earn a commission on the sale. And that's affiliate marketing at its finest. So 2 other high-paying affiliate programs on my channel this year are my cryptocurrency wallet affiliate links, and I've made about $6,000 this year in Bitcoin from the Trezor and Ledger affiliate programs, which is amazing, and it'll probably be worth double that whenever I actually sell it, because I like to hold on to my Bitcoin for dear life. I love affiliate programs because they're really a win-win scenario. I get to recommend products and services that I use and enjoy, the viewer usually gets free money or a discount, and I earn a commission on any sales. The real power comes from having multiple affiliate programs that you earn money from every single day. All of them combined together really adds up over time. Regarding sponsored videos, I get emails from brands pretty frequently. However, I only choose to work with ones who I would personally use myself and find value in. If a brand offers something that I personally wouldn't use, then I don't recommend it. I kindly tell them, I'm not interested and decline the offer. I can't disclose how much money I've made per sponsor. However, I will be transparent and show you the full amount that I've made across all of my sponsors this year, and I'll be showing you that very shortly. So let's go ahead and add everything up for 2021 and see how much money I've made on YouTube this year. Okay, so for affiliate marketing, I've made $26,652.76. Again, in YouTube ad revenue, I've made $17,112.52, and across all of my sponsored content, I've made about $5,500. Now, adding all of this up together, I've made $49,265.28 as a YouTuber in 2021, which is so much more than I made in 2020, in which I made just under $21,000 for the entire year. The only downside is I just missed $50,000, but we were so close. A lot of you are probably thinking, is YouTube actually worth it? Should I even start a YouTube channel? I personally believe that becoming a YouTuber and content creator is one of the best decisions that you could ever make, and if you stick with it and try to improve just a little with each video, then long term, your channel will make more money than you could ever imagine. And not only does it benefit you, but you're also able to help people all around the world and have a much larger impact than you ever would working for a single company. Don't forget to grab some free Bitcoin using my links down below in the description, then go follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.